Hello everyone. Today we will be learning few more digraphs. And you know what are they? That's O. O.
And
Hold on, honey.
E.
Oh, that's E. And you cannot be seen there. So for yes. And the next one is I.
And
I. And what's the last one for today, Sufyan?
I.
Or. So let's look at few more examples. Okay, so we are looking at the O sound. We have two letters here that makes one sound. That is the letter O and the letter A. So when these two are together, you say it as O. Let's read few words. G-O-T, goat. B-O-T, boat. L-O-T, load. I've also put sound buttons. When you have a digraph, you need to first underline that digraph and put a dot underneath. That's a sound button. But when it is a single sound, you just need to put one dot underneath. Now let's look at the I sound. I. When you have I and E, these two letters together, you say it as I. So let's look at few words. P-I, pie. P-I, pie. Next, T-I, tie. T-I, tie. L-I'd, L-I'd, light. Okay, and the next one is E. That's a long E. So when you have these two letters together, E's together, you call it as E. So a few of the words having E sound are S-E-D, S-E-D, seed. Okay, next one. F-E-T, F-E-T, feet. T-R-E, tree. Okay, and the last sound for today is or. When you have O and R together, it's called as or. So or, for, orc, fork, orc, stork. That's it for today. Thank you so much. I hope you had fun learning the different digraphs. See you later.
Bye.